Hey, what's going on? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer. Today I've got this Sony AM/FM radio to show you. The model number is ST-JX390. But before we get into it, a quick fun fact. Do you know what the first ever radio show was? It was KDKA in Pittsburgh. Now that you know that, let's go ahead and talk about this. So on the rear panel, you have all of your antenna connections right here, and then your audio output, and then your control input and output for connecting it to a system, and then your AC outlet if you want to get power from this to another device. To connect it, you'll plug in your audio cable, and then your antenna, and then the power cord. And then once you have it connected, you can power it on, and you'll get a signal just fine. And right here you can set up to 30 stations if you want. You can use the shift button to switch between A, B, and C selections, and then memory so that you can update your presets. And then right here you can switch between AM and FM. And then there's memory scan and auto tuning. Auto tuning will automatically find a station for you, or you can have it on manual, where you search for a station on your own. And then you have your tuning button right here. You can go up or down with that. That's pretty much all there is for this AM/FM tuner. It's pretty basic, but if you want to order one, you can give us a call or check it out on our online store.